Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide for how to use SnoreRx Mouthpiece. So it's actually very easy. Your first step should be boil and soften it. So place the mouthpiece in hot, not boiling water for about 60 seconds to soften it, and then remove and cool it. Just carefully remove it and let it cool for a few seconds until it's comfortable, and then bite and mold. Place it in your mouth, bite it down gently and press it against your teeth to create a custom fit. After that, just set the shape, put it in cold water for 30 to 60 seconds to set the shape, and then check fit. Try it on. If the snug doesn't feel comfortable, you can repeat the steps 1 to 4 if needed. So why it works, it holds your lower jaw slightly forward and keep your airway open while you sleep. Helps you reduce snoring for you and your partner. Custom fit, and it's very adjustable. You can use it every night. You can clean and store it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.